Coaching or self-study? Which one actually cracks CAT the best? I've heard this question from 1,000 students, from students at coaching centers, from people who tried to self-study and gave up, and from both types walking the corridors of IIM Ahmedabad as well. Here's what I've seen anyone do on YouTube. Yeah. Actually answer the question specifically for you, based on who you are, where you come from, and how you study best. That's exactly what this video does. In the next 500 seconds, I'll show you which path is the right for you and then tell you exactly how to walk it. We're here to discuss if self-study works better for you or does coaching. Yeah. So actually this is not a one size fits all answer. I can't say either or them. Yeah. Self-study, coaching, two paths, one exam. Today we'll just figure out which one is yours specifically. Yeah. So let's get started. So a quick intro for those who haven't seen my channel before. I am Vijayaditya Singh, MBA from IIM Ahmedabad. I manage the pedagogy engineering at SuperGrads by Toprankers. I've been inside IIM A, B and C, not just as a visitor, but as someone who's lived the process and met the students. I know the students who've cracked CAT through pure self-study with zero coaching. I know students who went to IMS and time and SuperGrads for 2 and 3 years and then converted it. I know students who use mentored programs like what we are building right now at SuperGrads. Every single type cracked CAT. And today I am going to help you figure out which is the type that suits you best. Your money, your time, your energy, all should go in the exact right path, right? So let me be very direct. From everything I've observed across IIM campuses, every student who's cracked CAT fits into one of these two profiles. Yeah, the self-study type, they have a strong self-discipline, they can sit alone for 3 hours without anyone checking on them. They score well academically, they can identify their own weak spots, they thrive through without even a push. And then the coaching type, right? They benefit enormously from external accountability. They want a roadmap handed over to them. They need someone to explain concept, not just content to read. They thrive when there's a structure around them and there are peers studying alongside them. Neither one is better than the other, to be really honest. Both types are sitting inside IIM classrooms right now. The question is, which one are you? So let's figure that piece out. So I want you to answer these 7 questions before me. Literally, pause the video and right now just write yes or no and just give me a count, right? Or keep a mental count. Question number 1, are you an engineer or do you have a science background with great mathematics? Number 2, did you grow up in a tier 1 or tier 2 city where you had an exposure to English media, books, competitive exams? Question number 3, have you scored 80% of above consistently in class 10th and 12th? Question number 4, is your English reading and writing genuinely strong? Yeah, not just okay. Does your college have relatively low attendance requirements, meaning you have the flexibility in how you spend your time? Yeah. Can you comfortably afford a coaching fees which is typically in the range of 20 to 25 30k? Yeah. And do you need someone to keep you accountable? Do you want to do you like to push your own self? So count up your answers. We'll decode them on the next slide based on the total number of yeses that you answered for each of these 7 questions. Now here are your answers classified for you, and this is based on real patterns I've observed. You might fall not completely into either of them, but you will definitely fall more into one or the other. Now let's look at each of them individually. If you answered yes to question 1, 2, 3, 4, engineer, tier 1 or 2 city, strong academic record, strong English, you have almost certainly have the raw material to self-study effectively. Your fundamentals are already in place. If you said no to those though, commerce or arts background, weak in quants, limited English exposure, coaching gives you the structured foundation you need to build your CAT preparation on your own. Now, question number 5, low attendance requirement actually benefits coaching students more because it means you can attend classes without being a burden on your academic college performances. Then comes affordability. If self-study becomes genuinely smarter for a lot of people, because you can get a world-class preparation system for just 14,999 instead of 1.5 lakh rupees. Accountability, single and most important predictor. If you said yes, you need someone watching your back, you need a coaching. If you said no, you don't need the structure, you only need the right tools. The perfect CAD DIY kit. Now, where did most of our answers fall? Let's talk about your path. Let's first start with path A. Path A is the self-study student. Now, the good news is you don't need a coaching institute, right? You can actually save up a lot of money and just invest in the right DIY system that helps you navigate your CAD journey. But I need to be brutally honest with you. Most self-study attempts fail because not of lack of effort, but because of lack of direction. I see it all the time. Students watch random YouTube videos on quants, they attempt mocks from random places with no analysis, they spend 3 hours on topics they already know because it feels productive. They never face their weak areas head on. That's the random prep trap, and it destroys more self study attempts than anything else. So here's the truth, you do not need more time for self study, you need a system for those 650 hours. Everything that you need to crack CAD can be done in 650 hours. And if you want to know exactly what to do with each of these 650 hours, I have got just the kit for you. Yeah. So, let me introduce you the SuperGrads CAD DIY kit specifically designed for students who are preparing by themselves. Right. This is a self-study assistance kit with complete structured curriculum, a full 650-hour roadmap, each hour mapped, every topic in the exact sequence that builds on itself. No random jumping. This has smart mock engines, not just mock tests, but a deep analysis layer after every mock that you give, right? Then there is an intelligent revision module, the system that tracks that you do not forget and the surfaces it at the right time. Spaced repetition, builds your preparation much, much better. And the best part, the personal IIM mentor. This is the part I'm the most proud of, honestly. Even on the self-study path, you get a personal mentor from an IIM alum who does a weekly review call with you. They review your week, identify gaps, build your next week's plan around based on your actual life requirements. Your weekly schedule builder is a custom plan every week adjusted for your real personal schedule. And all of this can come in just 14,999. Link is in the description. It's the smartest investment you will make for CAD prep. Trust me on this. But you know what? Let's look at the other side as well. Let's look at the path B. Yeah, the coaching students. Now, coachings can be really, really powerful, but most students pick the wrong thing when they're optimizing for when they're choosing a coaching. External structure really does work for you. Your self-awareness, your weaknesses. But the real problem that comes is everybody goes for a bigger brand. But here's the thing: everybody gets wrong. They spend weeks agonizing which coaching to choose, right? IMS or Career Launcher or Time or an Academy or SuperGrads or Elite's Grade. A lot of these brand names. Yeah, batch sizes and weekend options and whatnot. Almost all of the time is wasted because the truth is 90% of the coaching teach the exact same piece. Every serious coaching institute has good QA material. They all have a great VRC material and they all have mock test series that are exceptional. The content is not the differentiator anymore in the world of AI. So what actually determines which coaching is the best? The answer is something almost nobody talks about. Nobody talks about. Yeah. So let me answer that question for you today. Yeah. So I'll give you a point-to-point comparison of each of these things, but primarily I would like to point out these bottom two pieces that we have today, right? Everything is same. Everything is same from top to bottom. The biggest differentiator is the personal mentorship, right? Now, a lot of people promise personal mentorship as and when required, but the real honest truth is once you don't do well, you are in no position to go to a coaching counselor and say, I did not do well. And how many times would you do it? On the other side, what SuperGrads does is the mentor is personally responsible for calling you up and catching you up every single week, trying to understand your mental space, keeping your motivations high, understanding your academic and personal requirements also. It's the coaching with the correct correction and the correct plan, just to make sure that you enter the right B school at the right time by maximizing your returns in the minimum time that you would ever invest, right? Of course, I've already talked about the reason that a lot of people fail. It's and the core of our coaching program in general. Yeah, is a weekly review call. Your mentor goes through your exact week with you, your hours spent, your topics covered, what you skipped, why did you skip it, and there's no hiding. Yeah, there's no I'll do it next week. You are accountable week by week. Yeah. Then comes two, which is a personalized gap fix, not generic advice. If your maths is bad, your maths is bad. If your geometry is not done on a Tuesday morning, they will ask you about it on a Wednesday evening. No skipping. Yeah. Step three, strength maximization. In CAD, you don't win by fixing every weakness, you win by dominating your scoring zones. Your mentor identifies your strengths and builds your strategy accordingly. Then comes the next week custom plan. Every week you get a study plan approved by this IIM mentor, adjusted for your college exams, your placement seasons, your family events, travels, your real life, and not a fantasy schedule that nobody follows. The reason coaching students fail isn't lack of content. Again, it's lack of someone who holds them accountable and adjusts their learning plan every single week. The exactly piece that SuperGrads does the best. Now, whether you're at path A or path B, both roads can lead to the best of best IIMs. And with SuperGrads, both roads share the same advantage that no other coaching or self-study tool offers. Your personal IIM mentor in either of these courses. For self-study students, the CAD DIY kit, full curriculum, mock revisions, IIM mentors, weekly plans at just 14,999. And for coaching students, the SuperGrads mentored program, the full live classes, recorded content, mock test series, and IIM mentor at the price of 24,999. Link to both of these is available in the description. But here's what I would really like to conclude with. I would like to close the entire video today with a few insights that I've gained over the period of time by talking to students from A, B, and C. And I've never said this in YouTube before, right? So I've spoken to hundreds of students across IIMs in my batch, my juniors, my seniors as well. Yeah, about how they cracked CAT. About 50 to 55% are usually people who've done it through self-study. Yeah, the others have gone to coaching, and the split is more or less even. But here's the one thing. Every single one of them had one thing in common. They all started on time. Yeah. None of them are the people who said I'll start in 3 months later or 2 months later. None of them were watching YouTube videos without actually sitting down to study. Every one of them made the decision at some point and started that specific day. No coaching versus self-study debate. Now let me think about it from another month. They decided, they started, and they cracked it. So this is the biggest takeaway of this entire video, entire of it. And I want you to take a screenshot of this slide, if nothing else. The gap between your score today and your IIM level score is not made by the choosing the right coaching or method. It is made by starting today instead of 2 weeks from now. Look at these two boxes, right? Start today, 650 hours are available to you. Wait 2 weeks, you're already 100 hours less and you're already starting 2 percentile low. The 650 hour prep journey, 100 hours is the difference between a 90 percentile and a 97 percentile. Imagine. Decision isn't coaching self versus self-study. The decision is, do I start today or do I keep thinking till the end of it all? Yeah? Now, which path are you on? I am not sure. I hope you have got your answer by the end of this. I hope this was genuinely useful for you all. If you are a Path A student, the self-study student, click the link in the description and get started on the CAD DIY kit today. No timing, no weekends, just self-paced course. Do it at your own pace. And if you are a Path B student, of course, the coaching student, visit the supergrads.com websites through Toprankers. Talk to us about your personal mentorship program. We'll align a free mentorship session for you. Whichever path you choose, the next step is the same. Open the link, get started today. I am Vijayaditya Singh from IIM Ahmedabad, product owner at SuperGrads by Toprankers. Good luck, and I'll see you on the other side of the CAD exam. See you.